And good day, traders. Welcome back to the XM Live, guys. Welcome back to our session. Today, CPI day, and I already have a gold running. Guys, I think I might close this trade now, just not to risk anything before the CPI. The market can surprise as usual. So if you were long, guys, we can close it now if you want. Well, small risk trade. Johnny, how are you today?
Hey man, nice to see you. You can imagine that I mean, for me, Christmas come before with the with crypto.
Aha, yes, yes.
It will be fantastic, guys, and very strong movement. We have assist in the market. Everything is going perfect. The Trump train is ongoing. And now, of course, today we have the CPI. So I'm agree with you that we have to take a little care because depending of data, we can have an effect in the dollar, and in consequence, we can have more bearish pressure in gold. If the CPI will be higher of expectation, there are these chance because I studied the data in the last 3 months. We can appreciate a significant advance, not a reversal, of course, um, of trend, but maybe repeat maybe today, or we have a pause of this uptrend and CPI show weakness or dollar take a pause, or we will see another bearish pressure on gold, euro dollar, etc. So it's quite interesting, in my opinion, to see this type of movement. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I was really focused on this gold trade, and it's okay for the morning trade. I was buying gold there at the bottom. Uh, Pretty good one for starters. Yeah, look, Johnny, my opinion is that CPI, we see dollar strength, and what can we assume is that maybe traders expect that CPI is slightly higher than expected.
Mm.
So any surprise can be and will be
B-
very volatile. That's why I wouldn't like to have any open trades before the CPI is out.
Me too.
For
Me too.
I just closed gold trade, and this is again a trade that I think it was like pretty much in line with the expectation that gold will go higher during London session. Multiple reasons for that. We see also consolidation in some kind of pennant here, triangle. This is support, obviously, 25.99. I have this as probably order block because I have this blue line. I guess this is order block on higher time frames. So yeah, the market definitely bounced. I also got Black Widow signals here to go long. So I went long, but you know what? Everything can change on the CPI. I would rather take the profit before the CPI,
Mm.
wait for the CPI, and then trade, then move the trade into the CPI and risk morning profit. So yeah, in my opinion, I think there could be maybe slightly higher CPI, but just slightly higher. But still not sure. Of course, it's a guess. But we see the dollar is gaining momentum, and yen is. I don't know what to say about yen. Yen is
Oh.
again the weakest currency, obviously.
In this moment, we have a big problematic, guys, because we are assisting a significant movement in the market, and especially, for example, I have, oh no, for first one for gold, I expect a retracement because also I expect a retracement 2 days ago. I am to be honest, Nana, because I see a lot of volume entering around 2610 and also in 2600. So I we can appreciate effectively the fact that on this level that is very important. I have a very old resistance 2591, and here yesterday they do a double bottom. So uh, personally, I think that gold could going up a little more, but yeah, of course, if depend of CPI, no. After that, I would like to say that. Um, dollar yen in this sense also has a problem because I don't see any bearish sign. Now today probably some retracement. Sorry, but to be honest, I don't see any sign of reversal on this pair. So to be honest, so I prefer to buy. So I see that your pound yen is ongoing, and it's a good idea in my
Well,
opinion.
yeah, I was shorting it early morning. To be honest, a few traders actually
Yeah,
left it running. It hit stop and then dropped, but uh, actually, if I moved my stop 5 pips higher, I would be in profit now. But yes, I said already what I saw basically early morning was short. It looks like the short is playing out, but the market needed to hit this T89 here. Then it started to move down, but I will wait for a final signal and confirmation after the CPI. I really don't know what the result will be. Yen is very weak. Pound is weak. What I think about pound, sell the rally. There is no other option than sell the rally in pound. Euro is not long. Pound is not long. Everything is sell the rally. I will give you the level exactly where to sell, guys. So we could sell maybe 27.93 or eventually 28.32. Those are levels where I would sell again.
perfect. On pound yen, to be honest, I continue to see the chance, and then as we discussed last week, of 211, and I see accumulation process. The problem is the time we need. So if yen remain quite weak and we break 198.13, I have a big resistance here where prices fight from last week. I think that we can have a parabolic movement, but of course I need that yen continue to remain weak because pound is very bearish in this moment, guys. Like the most part of instruments, even on this level on 1.27, and I had to be honest. So if you take pound dollar, I would like to open a long. What?
No.
What?